Hi and welcome. Today we're going to look at the product from Earfun. They're well known for doing good products. And this is a wired headphones, model K3. This version is using the USB-C cable, which is pre-installed, so it can't be removed. But it will work with smartphone, tablet, PC, laptop, and an iPad. So let's see what else we have in here. It has hearing protection, comfortable wearing, hi-fi sound, adjustable fitting, foldable and durable, wide compatibility. So this is made for kids actually. Comfortable wearing, and seamless compatibility, foldable design. Like I said, yeah, let's just open it up. Let's see. Very nice color, and everything is inside, and it's a tangle-free cable, which is very good for kids. They do have really good headphones and speakers now as well. So it's quite straightforward to use. Earfun, and then you can see there's a satisfying click when you put them in position. A nice and comfortable headband, and really good cushions. Very comfortable, and they swivel as well, so it will give you a better fit. It opens quite widely, and what they were happy about it is that they could fold. Probably not when they are open like that, but they were showing in the photo like quite, yeah. I'm afraid to do it, but yeah. So yeah, that's how they look like. No squeaky noise and weird noises. That's the cable, USB-C, and yeah, let me quickly check how it sounds. Let me just quickly find. So as soon as you plug them into the iPhone, it's asking if you've connected a pair of headphones, and then you just do the rest. So let me just quickly see and play this song. So that's maximum.
I see the ice covered in cross on the ones who
Well, I've tried to give you a sample. So yeah, I've tried them. I'm really impressed for how well it sounds. They can go quite loud, so you have to be, I think it's 85 decibels. So obviously be careful if you're using with a toddler. But yeah, they sound amazing. So yeah, what can I say? They look really good as well. No controls, no nothing, just simply plug it in and play from your device. So yeah, thanks for watching guys. I hope you enjoyed it.